morning, Techno Olympics champions. How is everyone doing today?
We're good.
Excited?
Yes!
Yes, wow, I love that. So I love those smiles na nakikita ko yan na. Welcome to the District Techno Olympics 2025, where skill meets creativity and imagination comes to life. Today, our brilliant learners will showcase not only their talents, but also their passion and innovation. So sit back, enjoy, and let's make this day unforgettable. My due respect to our ever supportive and young local chief executive, Honorable Alexander S. Ditaz, and our equally supportive, young, sexy, witty, and pretty public school district supervisor, Ma'am Arlene S. Ditaz. To the supportive principals, especially to our energetic Principal 4 of Mayorga Central School, Ma'am Arlette P. Mokia. Ma'am, good morning. And to the school heads of different schools, wala ko nakitang parents, teachers slash coaches, judges, and us as well as our students, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning!
Hi.
Hello!
Hello.
Hi!
Okay. So to officially begin, may I request everyone to please stand. Now, the moment that you've waiting for. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes!
Coaches, are you ready? Yes, okay. How about the audience, the judges? Ready na gid ang mga judges, oy? All right, the District Techno Olympics 2025 contest begin. So, here's the categories for today's contest. For the invitation card making is, ang atong place is the ICT room, kana siya makita naman ninyo. And then for the dish gardening and the food preparation and presentation, adi lang dire. Asa man na, magtapad hirap ma'am? Three lang, oh my God. Okay, wow! Congratulations sa mga tulog. Kung anak mo, winners na. Adi ang food preparation and presentation, and at tuliwat is ang dish gardening. Wow! And then ang extension cord making, switch assembly kay SDM. Saan yung SDM banda mo? Straight lang nung sapit sa office ni Mau Arlene. Okay. To our contestants, give it the best shot. Shine with confidence and enjoy the experience. And now you can go and proceed to the distinguished places. Good luck, everyone!
Start.
Thank you so much. The face na to lang ibaan.
Hirap? Oh, dan ay niya sulod na pinaranan niya. Yung paano bata. Wag man niya ma-participate.
Pamilya dito kanton ang form na kaya makuha kami
go on with the show. The second lady, Lido Gadla, go on with the show. So